Well, here's Craig's 340 with 372 cubic inch. He wanted to hear it running, which is a good thing, I guess. I decided to kind of get a bunch of parts together to get it running with my engine stand because it had a blower engine on it. And it just took a bit of work getting there. Got a bit of a overflow water there, so it should all work out good. There's 69 340. There. I've got the cam and everything broke in, so I'll just try to do this one-handed while I'm holding the phone. And that's it. It's got the smallest Thumpr Cam in it you can get, so it's got a bit of a rough idle, not too radical. So there you have it.